Surfing my whole life, was on tour for 17 years. Yeah, I mean, cooking and surfing is very much an art form, right? And everyone has different styles. And the only thing different is every single person on this planet can relate to food. I think every dad has their dream, like where you sort of have an idea or a vision of what it's going to be like and what you're going to enjoy doing with them. And more times than not, that's not how how it ends up being.
Yeah, I like playing in the water, but sometimes I get a little afraid and I want Dad by me.
She's so driven, but in just different ways. She loves cooking, and yeah, that's something we do together that we both enjoy, and it slows it down, and I think it's therapeutic for both of us.
Whoopsie. If it rips, it's just a delicious mistake that you can eat. So these two are koalas, and then all my friends have best friends. I just think you should make your Traeger like how you want it. Right here? It's just fun because what I'm looking forward at the end of the day, just to cook. Money in the bank right here, y'all.
You know, I never dreamed of like, yeah, I'm gonna be cooking on the grill with my kid. You know, like that's the vehicle for us to spend time together.